Well, this morning I came out here and I flung the rest of the water bowl of Bear's water out here because it was getting yucky. And when I did that, a little bird flew away from here.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
And they had built a nest inside our hitch box. So we cleaned it all out and we taped it up so that they can't get in there. Before we raised the trailer, there was like a tin or an aluminum little cake pan thing that was in here from the previous owners. But when we flipped the axles, we had to raise the hitch up, so we had to take that off. And we just never got around to putting another one there. So we had to do that. Here's the poor little birdie's nesting stuff. They'll just have to make one somewhere else. This is as far as they got. Tom's been checking it every day and he hadn't seen one, but they had already gotten one today. The poor little birds are nesting everywhere. We have a poor little dove over here, and half of her nest has fallen down. Poor little mama. Poor BB. What the help you? What do you think?
Where are we going?
Well, we're going to check my sister's trailer because after we found that birds were nesting in our hitch, we thought, well, we'll check theirs. Sure enough, there is some, oh, I forgot a flashlight.
Okay, I'll go get it.
There's some nesting in theirs, and they have the long
Look at this. Look at this. Look how long this is.
The nest is all the way down here.
All the way at the end.
So we got
So you got your magic grippers, right?
Yep. This is the thing we got in quartzite. The little claw grippy thing.
Little claw grippy thingy, wacky doodles.
And then
Oh, is it too dark in there? Can you see down in there?
Probably.
I can't see the camera. Let me go get a flashlight.
Okay. All right, we got the flashlight.
I see it. Look at all that crud in there.
Let me move the camera closer.
Look at that.
Oh, there it is.
Tweet, tweet.
Oh, I'm sorry, little birdies. I'm sorry.
Tweedledee-diddledee.
Yeah, sorry, little birds.
All right.
All right, there you go.
You gonna dig it out?
I'm gonna set our gloves down here in case we have to
Reach in.
reach in. But I'm just gonna
Reach
start.
in. Reach out of the darkness.
Let's just start.
Reach out in the darkness.
Oh, of course, I grab onto the bolt.
Can you see anything? Look at that.
I'm sorry, little birdies.
They need to go somewhere else.
All your hard work. Oh,
Yeah.
there's even a feather.
A
in
feather in that one. Yeah, put the flashlight up there.
Oh, might be easier to use the hanger.
Yeah, I
This
think.
is just little bits at a time.
Just grab.
Okay.
Goodness sakes. Again, this is why you need to cover these openings up.
Yeah, because technically it's illegal to disturb a bird's nest.
Wow.
Whoa!
Watch your foot. I could care less about this. There you go. We got a bird's eye view.
Oh, you're so funny.
Well, that's why we did go into RVing, so we could be nesters. We're empty nesters.
Oh my gosh. You guys thought it was only on Saturdays, huh?
Well, you are married to a bird brain.
Wow, you're on top of it today. Yeah, you know what? Let's go get that little rake.
That's what I thought.
I don't know if I'll be able to get it in here because of the
I think it
handle,
will.
but let me go try and get that.
All right,
That's right.
so you got your little.
I have another hand one,
Oh, okay.
maybe.
Gonna try this. See, I think this will work. Let me on that side.
No, I need to be here because I can't get this in otherwise. No, this is too big.
The handle's too long.
Yep. All right, I've got
All
another
right.
choice.
So crazy. You saw what we did to ours. Put the tape over it. I don't know what we're going to do here to protect this for her sister. Gonna have to do something because it is a big opening. I wonder if they can even get up in there.
Maybe this will work.
Ooh.
It's a little bit smaller, and stick my arm down in there. Oh yeah, here we go.
Reaching down in, pulling it out.
Yep.
There you go.
I know, I knocked it down.
Get the flashlight out of the way. Well, at least they haven't started
No babies.
a family yet.
Heck, this could have been a winter home.
Could have been. Woo.
Wow.
That's pretty much it.
Nope.
More?
Oh yeah. Yeah, get the camera up in there. Look,
Oh my God.
still lots more. This is working good, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah, almost.
Oh, I thought something ate your hand.
Just lay this in there like that. There we go.
Look at all this nesting material. It was inside their fifth wheel hitch.
Well, it isn't pretty, but it'll keep the birds out of here, and then Kevin, my brother-in-law, can redo it however he wants
So
to
this
do
is
it.
plastic mesh.
Yeah, it's for like when you put tile on a countertop. It's what keeps the tiles adhered in the grout. So Kevin brought some home because he's using it for another project, and there was a scrap piece around, so we just stuck it up here. Like we said, it's not pretty, but it will do the job to keep the birds out.
Keep the birds out
And
till
we
he
taped-
figures out what he wants to do to close it off.
Yeah, and we taped around the front here. This is actually where they were going in.
Because there's a huge gap right here.
Yep. And look at this pile. So here's
Yeah,
my
here's the
my
whole
foot.
pile.
So this is how big the pile is that we pulled out. Feels so bad. Look at all those feathers and everything. But no babies.
Thank goodness it was
So-
just a pile
Yeah.
of stuff.
It was just a nest and no babies, no eggs. no
Nothing else like that.
So they'll have to, there's trees. They need to build their nests in trees.
This is why you got to always watch. You got a fifth wheel. It doesn't even matter. You got any kind of a rig.
Yeah, Kevin and Wendy had one in the wheel well,
Yeah.
a nest. So it's that time of the year. They're-
Always check.
check all around. We're going to
Look
stick
and
some
check.
steel wool in our slide
Mechanisms.
mechanism.
The gears.
Where the slide rails go in.
Mhm.
There's a big hole there.
Yeah.
So most of them go into a bay, but this one, the one underneath our bedroom, the bedroom slide just goes into underneath our bed.
Yeah.
So where we can't get to it. So we need to block that off with some steel wool.
We don't need bird brains under the bed. We've got one on top of it. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it out with your friends. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. We appreciate you being here. Click the subscribe button, ring the bell. Get notified every time we put up a brand new video. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Life is short.